સ્ટોરી કેવું યાદ છે તમને મને ટીચર્સ હા સાંભળો હા હા બોલ વેરી બોલ મને
Done, Shreyans. Yes.
આમાં ટોટલ 119 પેजेस છે. આમાં એક બુકનું નામ ધ સ્કેરી પિમ્પલર છે. આમાં એ સ્ટોરીમાં એક ક્વીન થાય છે એ કિંગડમમાં અને તો એને બહુ બધી પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ હતી અને એને બહુ ટોક્સિક ટાઈપ હતી પણ એને બહુ બધા પિમ્પલ્સ હતા એટલે એને બહુ પ્રોબ્લેમ હતો તો એને એક પિમ્પલરને બોલાવ્યું પણ તે બહુ સ્કેરી it was looking very scary but still the scary pimpler man removed all the pimples from the queen's face. But again that night the pimples arrived. Then the princess told the king the whole story. Then the king told the pimpler what have you used. That again the princess got more pimples. But the pimpler said that I had used normal pimple affective things. But the king then carefully looked at the pimpler. The king was scared because he was looking like just a ghost. But that night when the guards of the kingdom went to the pimpler's house, they saw the man removing his mask, but they could not see the real face. They told this to the king. And the king understood that the pimpler was not the pimple remover. It was just an acting. And the pimpler knew that the guards had come. And the pimpler was a pimpler, but still he was acting that he was not a pimpler. Because he did this acting, and he said in his mind that he is doing all this because the skin of the queen is very hard, and any tools are not working on the queen's skin. So I had to use the acid for one day. Then while the guards told this to the king, the king became very angry, and he went with his full guards and attacked on him. And then while he was thinking this, he had a rope, and then when he heard the horse galloping and the king announcing, then he had to do an acting of being a ghost. And then the king knew that he was acting because he had saw everything. So he killed the pimpler.
Done? Okay, very good.